Don't let your passions become your overseers. I was just going through it, and this is off script this time. Nothing fancy, but I've got 8 different channels right now that I'm working on, and maybe another 2 that I'd like to get going that I already have set up. All on various genres, topics, that kind of thing. It's just completely different stuff, but all stuff I really want to work on. But I got a full-time job. I got a couple of young kids, wife, house that seems to always need work. Can't keep up on the cleaning. It's a lot. It's a lot. And I would be lying if I said it wasn't stretched thin a lot of the time. But and I've fallen in this trap. That's why I'm talking about it. You can't let the passion of creating content, creating things, putting it out there, you can't let that be, a slave driver, an overseer. It's just, you want to, because you'll see the algorithm, the more you put up, the more often you put it up, the algorithm treats you better. You'll get more views. You get some love from the algorithm, which leads to success. But man, it's not worth the drive sometimes. It just isn't. It's just, they say, if you do what you love, sometimes you stop loving it. It becomes work, especially if you keep driving yourself to meet these quotas. I mean, that's all well and good. You got one channel, maybe 2, and you're trying to, do 1 or 2 a week. But trying to do 1 a day on multiple channels, shorts and long form, it's tough. It's near impossible if you have other responsibilities, especially full-time responsibilities like family and another job, a full-time job, paying the bills job, your day job. Don't quit it. But basically, just don't forget to really enjoy what you're doing and why you're doing it. It's that's why you started. That's why you started creating stuff in the first place, is because you enjoyed doing it. I mean, yeah, there's the money. It's in the background, you could monetize eventually, expand a little bit, but shouldn't be your primary concern. That's like icing on the cake. Because if that's your primary concern, then that's all well and good, but you got to go in it with a different mindset. Then you really are putting your nose to the grindstone. You've got to grind. You got to hustle. But for a lot of us, there's a side thing. Maybe it becomes a full-time thing later on in life. But right now, a lot of us, we're not trying to pay the bills with content creation. Not at first, at least. Maybe pay a little extra. But just don't forget to enjoy it, and don't forget to enjoy life and enjoy what's really important. Family is the most important, and enjoy those days, man. Enjoy those days, and just don't forget why you started. Anyway, kind of short, but a little longer than my usual. So I don't know. I hope you got something from it. It just came to me. I just want to talk about it because I've been going through the same thing. Anyway, keep creating.